The idea with the project was that students would be able to participate in creating this nativity scene. So we reached out to artist Jorge Cocco to see if we could use one of his paintings, and he was really excited about the project and said that he would create a paint by number himself and let us use that.
Art can heal. This gift is from God, and it is made for humanity so that we can be happier. I feel an enormous gratitude toward God, that I may be a servant to Him and to my fellow men.
I think all elements of what Jorge Cocco did with the piece point towards the central aspect, which is Christ. I had very specific thoughts on each character as I was filling it out. It's almost like each piece that we paint is an opportunity to think about how someone felt during that experience, how we would feel, and how we can share that with others. Allowing students to have the opportunity to fill in a segment of this painting, I think it allows them to feel like they are part of something bigger. There's something special about being able to create. And then we've also added in this component of service by collecting donations of gloves, socks, and hygiene products for the Provo Food and Care Coalition.
My connection with God is fundamental to my art. The Lord gives us these things so that we can serve and help our fellow beings.
The nativity scene is perfect because every time Christ was in distress, he looked for other people in distress. Belonging is just a matter of seeing each other and making that intentional effort of looking.